The overall goal of quantitative autofluorescence, or qAF, is to evaluate the overall level of lipofuscin in the support cells of the retina, the retinal pigment epithelium, or RPE, in both healthy and diseased eyes.
This technique can help answer key questions in retinal cell biology, such as how the health of the retinal pigment epithelium interacts with the development of age-related macular degeneration, or AMD. The main advantage of this technique is that it allows for the determination of absolute levels of lipofuscin autofluorescence in the fundus, and therefore quantitative and reproducible follow-up between patients, between patient imaging sessions, and in large study populations.
Prior to imaging, appropriately set up confocal scanning laser ophthalmoscopy, or CSLO, for data acquisition according to the manufacturer's instructions. To mount an internal fluorescent reference, which is purchased from the manufacturer, twist the lens to remove it, unscrew the machine's metal ring, and replace it with the new metal ring containing the reference.
It is essential for pupils to be dilated to at least 6 millimeters for uninterrupted passage of light.
With 0.5% tropicamide and 2.5% phenylephrine, dilate the patient's pupils at least 6 millimeters, which is essential for uninterrupted passage of light to see and measure the fundus. Properly position the patient on the CSLO with chin resting on the chin rest, forehead placed against the forehead rest, and lateral canthi properly aligned with the indicators.